Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indra Yulianti. I am from TBI at class. Here I want to review about the material. The material is psycholinguistic. Psycholinguistic is a branch of linguistics and psychology, which focus on how humans acquire, use, understand, and produce language. The word psycholinguistic comes from the Greek language psycho and linguistic. This scan is also known as the psychology of language. And psychology is a field of science and applied science that studies human behavior. Mental studies, human behavior, mental function, and mental process through scientific procedure. And meeting 2 is language and brain compound words. Language behavior explained us about psycholinguistics. Inquire the psychological mechanism. Psychological mechanism essence language in legal action or cognitive. The way know words and keep them in talk. The way comprehends a sentence. The way to study to read. The way language and writing methods affect psychological operation. Human brain structure with the function. There are neurons, or we can call nerve cells. The function is to dispatch and accept a cue from your brain. Cortex, or the cerebrum, is the widest component of human brain. And this relates with great brain function like as reflection and measure. Longitudinal fissure, basically the fissure goals is to distinguish the brain become two hemispheres, left and right. Corpus callosum, the principal function is to communicate in the midst of the two hemispheres. The distinction component of the corpus callosum sonic similar speech of any hemisphere. Limbic system, frequently mentioned as our temperamental brain or boy's brain. The function is reply to temperamental stimuli and likewise is embroiled in consolidated attitude. And meeting 3 is language center. Anatomy of language center of language. There are several areas of the brain that play a critical role in speech and language. Broca's area, locus in the left hemisphere, is associated with speech production and articulation. Wernicke's area is a critical language area in the posterior superior temporal lobe, connects to broadcast area via a neural pathway. Anatomy of language. The angular gyrus allows us to associate multiple types of language-related information, whether auditory, visual, or sensory. The angular gyrus allow us to associate a perceived word with different image, sensation, and ideas. Language center consists of speech production, syntactic info or what is, means broadcast area in intake, rat, visual, and auditory info crucial for reading, or angular gyrus, and the last is language comprehension lesion or Wernicke's area. And meeting 4 and meeting 4 literalization and contrast lateralization. The difference between localization and lateralization. Localization is contrast people, cognitive skill and behavior are the place in specific component of the brain, while lateralization is each cognitive function which is placed principally in one set of the brain. Right hemisphere, the left hemisphere have different function or in lateralization. Right hemisphere illusion, creative and impulse. Left hemisphere verbal and analytical, writing and reading, or the left hemisphere and dominant in language, match and skills. Contralization is the relationship in the midst of brain and in the body, nearly comprehensive or contralateral. And meeting 5, aphasia, language disorder. Language disorder or aphasia is a person who gets difficulties in learning language, whether spoke or writing, that can be affect to their ability to using language. Generally, aphasia, there are 3 types. Broca's aphasia is a woman that gets herself to say the correct words, even though they know so well that they want to say. The woman with Broca's aphasia only can say single words or simple sentence. Wernicke's aphasia is a woman that can speak correctly and say a long sentence but not make sense. They do not feel what they say is not correct, so they will get frustrated when another woman does not understand what they speak. Anomic aphasia have a identity that a woman who get anomic aphasia is when they feel hardship to finding words in writing as well as in speech. The last for me, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.